Welcome back to the channel, guys, and this time we're looking at the Soundcore Liberty Air 2 Pro. And I can safely say this is the direct competitor to the Apple Airpods Pro. Before we head to the review, let's take a moment and subscribe to the channel and also give this video a thumbs up and also hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any video in the future. Let's roll the intro. We're back, and first of all, I would like to thank Soundcore for sending this over for review, and there's nothing that Soundcore is making me say, just disclaimer, this is entirely based on my opinion and also my own experience. Let's go over some facts and also some features about this Liberty Air 2 Pro. The Soundcore Liberty Air 2 Pro is recommended by 10 Grammy Awards artists, including Neo. You may actually take a look in this picture and you'll see who you can find on this picture. In terms of specs, the Liberty Air 2 Pro is actually powered by pure note driver technology, where it is coated by 10 hardened nano layers to provide 30% more accuracy and also 45% more bass. The finish and also build quality is incredible on these Soundcore Liberty Air 2 Pros. In terms of build quality and finish, it is definitely incredible. It feels premium in my hand. It also looks like it's made of metal, even though it's actually plastic. Now also keep in mind that there are actually 4 colors: black, white, blue, and also pink. So the one I got is actually a blue finish. The case is also very pocketable, so if you're on the go, this is probably the product for you. The Soundcore Liberty Air 2 Pro is actually water resistant, so in case if it starts pouring, you don't need to worry about it. Battery wise, the Soundcore Liberty Air 2 Pro has 7 hours of playtime on one charge. So that's plenty of juice. In case if you need more, the case does provide 3 times of charges, a total of 26 hours plus the 7 hours on your earbuds. This is plenty of juice to last you the entire session of commute or work, if we're back to the office. The charging case is powered by USB-C. The earbuds are also magnetically attached to the charging case. And by attaching the earbuds to the charging case, it starts charging automatically. Once it starts charging, the 3 LED lights on the charging case will light up, indicating how much battery is left on the charging case. Comfort-wise, the Liberty Air 2 Pro sits really tightly in my ears. Even when I was jogging, there was very little wiggle and barely any need to reposition the earbuds. And not to mention, there was no ear fatigue after listening for 2 hours. The distinct feature on these earbuds is active noise cancellation. Not all earbuds have it, and not all earbuds that have ANC performs correctly. Now, if you don't know what ANC is, this is the first technology that Bose used to use on their first noise cancellation headphone. And basically what happens is it uses a battery, extra power, extra juice to produce a polar opposite signal to cancel out the ambient noise. With the Soundcore Liberty Air 2 Pro, we're getting 3 modes of noise cancellation methods. So the first noise cancellation method is outdoor. So it's great for city walks. It's great for car engines. So the second mode is transport mode. So it's basically the commute mode. So if you're taking a flight or if you're taking a train, it'll cancel out the engine noises. So the third mode is indoor mode. So that's great for canceling indoor fan noises or even air conditioning, all of which can be selected and also optimized in the Soundcore Liberty Air 2 Pro app, which is also available on both Android and also iOS. Couple things you can do within the app. First is setting the active noise cancellation methodologies to the previously mentioned 3 modes of active noise cancellation. Or you can create a custom active noise cancellation by adjusting the sensitivity and also the strength of that active noise cancellation. Also, an interesting option on the app is that you can allow vocals to be passed through the microphone, so that you don't hear the ambient noise, but you hear vocals. So that's a great option if you somehow meet someone on the street and you don't want to take off your headphones. This is the great option that you can allow that kind of conversation to pass through the microphone. Second thing you can do on the app is an ear fit test. The ear fit test will guide you through a series of sound quality tests as well as noise cancellation tests. So if in case your sound quality or the noise cancellation are not working too well, the chances are your ear tip is probably too small. If the ear tips are too big, you probably can't even fit them into your ear canal. So the next function within the app is HearID. So that is a custom profile for equalizer, for EQ, for your music. In order to tune each earbud, they have also included a hearing test for each earbud to test if you have any hearing loss. By doing so, they will play a series of low frequencies to high frequencies at different volumes to see if you can actually hear the sound. If you don't like the custom HearID profile, you can always take the easy way out. They have 20 presets installed within the app, and you can easily select one of those. Lastly, we have functions within the app to alter the control on your earbuds. So the earbuds have all these gesture controls that are customizable on the app. The Soundcore Liberty Air 2 Pro have very boomy bass. Not sure if it's placebo or not, but with the noise cancellation on, the sound quality sounds a lot more crisp. If you have it off, you prolong battery life, but you lose out on the sound quality as well. So that is a trade-off, and I prefer to have the noise cancellation on. And with it on, I do think these are one of the best. Sound quality and sound signature wise, these can be very subjective. And with all those functions that are tweakable on the app, these can pretty much be tailored to your liking. And I do think these are one of the better earbuds out there at this price point that are competing at one of the more professional earbuds, such as the Airpods Pro. In terms of microphone quality, Soundcore did boast about their 6 microphone technology. 2 at the top, 2 at the side, and 2 at the bottom. True wireless earbuds don't necessarily have the best microphone, so I wouldn't have too much expectation. But this is the test clip. Alright, so I'm testing the Soundcore Liberty Air 2 Pros. By the way, I can't use the front-facing camera, so that's why I'm filming on the rear camera and just testing out the microphone on these earbuds. Oh, and just another comparison. This is the sound quality from the iPhone. Now to the conclusion. Is this headphone worth it? And how suitable these earbuds to you depends on what kind of person you are. If you are that kind of person that commutes, if you're that kind of person that goes on Zoom meetings all day, if you are that kind of person that looks for pocketable, durability, aesthetics. But if you're looking for the absolute best sounding headphone, earbuds probably is not the way unless you go for custom earbuds. If you're looking for the best battery headphone, you're better off with a wired headphone. If you're looking for the best looking headphone, these may be the earbuds. Look at how beautiful they are. Alright, enough of that. If you're interested in knowing about this product, you can always go down to the link below, and also be sure to subscribe to my channel and also give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any comments, leave it down below and I'll check them. I'll reply to you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Be sure to check out this product, and I'll see you guys on the next video.